Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to access our course page, and we'll also take a quick look at what the course is going to look like. So on the Ohlone website, we click on Online Services, click on Canvas, and here you type in your username and password. This is going to be the same username and password that you use to check your email and log in to register for classes. Okay, and once we're logged in, you're going to see the dashboard. You're going to scroll down to the course that we're looking for. There's our Summer 2019 section of English 101B. And when we first land on the course page, you're going to see a home page that looks something like this. I haven't quite finished creating all the links here. You'll be able to click on syllabus to take a view of our syllabus. You'll also be able to click on essay prompts here to view all of the separate essay assignments we have for our semester. And then finally, under weekly assignments, that's where you'll see the week-to-week assignments. Each set of assignments is arranged by week, and this semester is a summer semester. We have 6 weeks, so you're going to see 6 sets of assignments, and they're all organized here under there. At the top here, you see the overview, and this is where you can go to get a look at which learning objectives we're going to be applying that week. You'll also see the reading homework assignments and the other various assignments that might be due that week. Here we have a few 4 discussion assignments and 2 quizzes to complete. The due dates are listed here as well. You can see with the discussion assignments, your initial post is going to be due on a Wednesday, and then your reply, that's where you're responding to another student's post, that'll be due on the Thursday, the following day. That gives you time to read through other students' posts before you reply to those posts. To access these assignments, there's links right within the overview. You can click on those to access the page. Also, when we go back out to those weekly assignments, you can see the assignments are individually listed here as well. So if we want to see what the week 1, discussion 1 assignment looks like, you can click on that and you'll see the instructions. When you're ready to post your discussion, you just click reply, go ahead and type in your entry there. All right, and that's about the gist of how to access our course page and how to navigate it. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks.